Hey everybody, Jerry here. Just wanted to go over this exceptional Monday morning of trading that I had. So I am going to include the link of the whole video. It's a little bit over an hour long. Highly recommend you guys watch that thing in 1.5 to 1 3/4 speed. Crazy day of profits. I decided to size up for the first week of May. And going into May, I've been sized relatively conservative with a lot of the uncertainty with the war in Iran. So I went back up in sizing, trading the way I've been trading, exactly the same thing, just larger sizing position, which is now my P&L has reflected that after today's amazing price action. So if you're interested on how I trade, please click the link below, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, please. And feel free to comment on this video. Any questions you got, let me know. And if you're interested on how I trade and want to be a part of the group, there's over 2,000 members of this thing. We trade 9 times a week. We absolutely crush it. We dominate it. It's a lot of fun, make you a lot of money, change your life. Click the link below. See you guys on the next side. Good morning, everybody. How's everyone doing this morning? Just do a quick sound check, audio check, please. Lenny, good morning, my man. Jay, good morning, brother. German, good morning, bro. John, all good. Thanks, man. All right, guys. I do not have support and resistance marked yet. Very clear where I'm going to put it for me. Um, we do have news dropping at 10. I think it's factory orders, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure how big that'll be. Um, Lynn, everything's good. Awesome. And Jax, good morning. Kevin, good morning. Thanks, guys. Lindsay, good morning. Coming in after a 2 week hiatus. Let's make some. I love it. Let's do it. Okay, team. Going to mark resistance. Very clear, top of current price action, interacting with all that. We do have this PDL wick aftermarket high, which is one of the same, and PDL touches above it. However, big strong candle should be able to rip up through that. Support. Going to be a little bit more aggressive with that. I'm going to mark the top of this little swing point here on the opening candles where that was resistance, and then we push through it, and now it's holding a support with these two wicks. However, I'm going to wait to at least 10:05 to take it. Sethery, let's go. Jen, good morning. Britton, good morning, my man. How you guys doing? And what news was it today that we have? Okay, there is no news at. It was on my phone, but it's not on. It's not on my MacBook. Interesting. Is anyone else showing news at 10? Just out of curiosity. Factory orders are showing, huh? It's not showing. Okay, so factory orders are showing on your guys. It's not showing on my desktop, but it's showing on my. It's showing absolutely on my phone app. Interesting. Odd. Michael, I use Market Watch. All right, team. So I'm going to hold off on trading through factory orders. We will wait for that setup after 10. All right, team. Is mine lagging for you guys? Okay, cool. Chi, I think it might just be yours. Mine seems to be working fine. Like I said, team, I'm not taking this. It's right at that aftermarket high. This is a super strong candle. I do have the factory orders as news, so I do not trade through a news candle. So we'll got plenty of time for this to give us that perfect setup. All right, ladies and gentlemen, moving support to 720.42, the top of the swing point here. These candles almost perfect touches on these wicks. We can close below that and be rejecting that previous day low, the aftermarket high, and continuation back down to the downside. So bouncing off of it perfectly now, 3 minutes and 40 seconds to go. Lots of time for it to tell its story. So, and then firm close above 720.77 for calls. I'm actually going to slightly modify this down just a bit to the bottom of that body in real time. Grabs a couple more of these wicks. Not too much of a difference. 720.40. Esther, good morning. Everybody have a good weekend. Jay, I got a couple I got a small Amoco jack and a couple of the guys got some permits and stuff like that. We got one more African pompano, but that was all I got was that one African pompano, man. I was just Man, it was so pretty out. Gosh, you got some new clubs and a great score on the course. Good stuff, man. Oh, Lynn, man, I'm sorry to hear that, buddy. That's terrible, man. Prayers to you and the family, buddy. Lynn, I understand, man. I was the same way when my grandmother passed on my dad's side. Still terrible all the same. 718, May 5th, 718. Some Cinco de Mayo chips and salsa contracts coming up. Ryan, good morning,
Chips and
brother.
salsa contracts. Let's go.
Let's do that, huh?
How about a little tequila?
All right. A little early, but all right. 40 seconds, team. Firm close below 720.40.
Well, it's not Cinco de Mayo yet, Jerry. That's what I meant.
So that's fair. That's fair.
Tequila contracts.
I like it. 718s are pulled up, team. Watching closely here. 10 seconds. 6, 5, 2, 1, and buying here. And filled at 142. No stop. And we got a quick dig down, and then it just bounced right off of it.
I got a terrible fill.
Oh, man. When'd you get filled at, Ryan?
147.
Eesh. No bueno. Market fill, yeah?
It was a market fill, yeah.
Hmm.
I think timing was just off too.
Yeah, got it. All right, team, no stop yet. Come on, SPY. Fall down. And get 719.71 in one fast swoop.
Yeah.
All right, team, I'm going to go ahead and get my stop loss on. And I'm going to put my stop in at 121. There we go.
Oh, whoa,
And taking half off team at 157.
whoa. What happened
Filled
there?
and stops at break even. I don't know. Hopefully we can stay alive in this. Whoa. Stops at break even.
That's a nice little shift.
Yeah, didn't see that coming. Love it though. Glad the contracts responded as fast as that candle did. Wow. Barely
Yeah,
got my stop off in time for that.
yeah, nice response there. It was
Huh.
I had slippage in both on the buy and the sell the wrong way, so I made just a little bit of money, but that's better than
God.
getting tapped.
Yeah, yeah. Still alive for the moment, team, but it looks like I'm about to get stopped out. And what was that? Stops at break even, team. Let's go. Come on. Rip it down.
Yeah, Jerry Justin pointed out that factory orders finally kicked in.
All three factories in America, huh? Okay, team, good print. Let's see if we can stay alive in this. Looking for 160 to 165 plus on that. Let's take advantage of this. Some of you guys probably got stopped out, different fills all over the place. Maybe didn't get half off. Like it's still strong. Lots of momentum down here. Just a matter of staying alive in it, in my mind. These contracts are like little jumping beans. Come on, contracts. Do your work. Right on my stop. Right on my stop. And those contracts. And stop there. We caught that about as best I could, guys. I didn't have a chance to tell you guys to get a stop off. Ryan, you
What
got a new
happened?
haircut? I said I barely had a chance to get positions off there and tell people to get their stops off. So that was a good one.
Yeah, that was not the best execution on my part at all.
Same. I actually, yeah, I got filled at 142 on the buy. I got 147 on my sell, even though I thought I got well over 150. I'm actually just
Yeah.
seeing that now. I was wondering why my P&L wasn't where I
Hmm.
thought it should have been.
So
I
so
was I
my
was trying to sell
I
like at
did so poorly.
152 to 155, and I got a 157 market fill on the way out, and then
Wow, you
barely
got
got my
Whoa, wait a minute.
157?
What?
uh on a market fill on
You
the way
got-
out. And I watched the contracts like on the little chart, it was showing 159, and my bid and ask was showing like 162. And I'm like, oh, maybe I didn't get a great fill, but talking to you guys, I think I did.
Yeah,
So
you did great.
I got a 147 fill and a 150 a 147 buy and a 153 sell. So I only made points on that. Jerry, what'd you make, like 15 or more?
A little over 15, yeah.
Geez, yeah, that was
16. And this market is wild. Look at this candle right through those PDL touches. Oh,
In this video,
Scott, I see your message in the Zoom chat. You are definitely in the right place. But you said you don't see any people talking, but you hear us talking. So maybe I don't know. You should be able to see us on your screen, but I imagine it's just something with your Zoom. But you're in the right place.
May 5th, 722 calls, team. May 5th, 722 calls. $45. I do want a firm close above the PDL touches at 720.99. I have a resistance a bit lower. However, that's a very relevant level. And we do have some overarching to work through the pre-market up top side here, but this is super powerful. So if we can't capture a little bit of its momentum. 20 seconds. 722s are pulled up. Six, three, one, and buying here. And filled at 164. No stop, team. Looking for 175 to 177 plus on the first piece here. Orange buy. Come get that pre-market high right now. Stop is off. Looking for that 172 to 173 team. We're right around it, just close to it now. A little bit more. Almost got it that time. One more attempt up there, team. I'm going to go risk free if it lets me. Some of you guys might have captured it. Just a little bit. Come on, Spy. Juice it up. And there we go, team. Taking half there, team at 175. Filled at 174. Stops at break even. Perfect reactions off to the previous day open. I have 721.42 marked. I'm going to look to wait to get there, team. That is a level through the pre-market that I had marked. Should be able to draw up to that if this stays powerful.
Man, good timing on that sell. Too bad those contracts got a little stingy there. I thought we'd be up near 180 when it pushed that high. But
I did too.
nice timing. Yeah.
Thanks, Ryan.
Oh, I guess we were.
There's your 175, 174 again, team. If you didn't get them off, go for it. I know not quite the percentages we're after, team, but Come on, SPY. Get going. Come on, SPY. Let's go. I agree with you, Ryan. These contracts are a little greedy to us right now, huh?
Yeah.
All right, stop coming off, team. Looking for 180 plus. Almost to that overarching resistance level. We should be able to get up through that. That is just a region, guys. Come on, let's go, SPY. Load it up. Stops that break even, team. Nice firm close here. Come on. Good close.
Yeah, very nice.
Stop is off. Come on. Come on, give it to us. Taking another piece there, team, at 181. Filled at 181. There's that 185. Stops going in at 170, team, and breaking my trailers behind and leaving positions at break even.
Beautiful move.
Thanks, Andy.
It did a little better this time in execution. Thank gosh.
I actually got stopped at break even. I see a few other people did too. So I'm with you guys. Those of you got stopped.
Team, if you're still in this, there's your 80, 180, 182, 183 again. Now at 184. That's unfortunate that you guys got stopped on that, or some of y'all did. Ryan, did you get stopped?
No. I actually got a better fill this time.
Oh,
I got a little bit
fantastic.
lower than you, but again, probably due to market fill and stuff. But yeah, so I didn't get tapped. Ooh,
They
look
can
at
stop
this.
up to 176. Let's go. Come get my pre-market high.
I think it's going to do it.
Let's go right now. Let's go. Stop to 182.
Let's go.
Still alive for the moment, team, and stopped at 182. I was trying to capture as much as I could off of that with expecting it to react to that top of that swing point in the pre-market, guys. And it didn't quite get to it, but man, it came close, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Joey, thanks, man. Lawrence, where do you practice to develop those gunslinger reflexes? Man, you'd laugh if I told you what I did to get my execution right. I was literally trading like 10 to 15 cent zero DTEs, and it probably cost me two or $300 over the course of a few months. And I would just buy them, split them, sell them, buy four, sell two, sell one, trail one. And just all I did was practice out on zero DTEs to get my execution right. I put a lot of time and probably cost me a few bucks to get it right like that, but all part of it. Team, I marked 721.21, firm red candle below that for puts. I have the 720 puts pulled up, team. And it's not ready to go down yet. All right, now we got a little time to breathe. Rick, if we added up all that money lost or learning, we could buy that Chevelle. Man, you're not wrong about that, Rick. But I am not upset about how much it cost me to learn this program at all. In fact, it was probably the best investment I ever made into my financial life. So completely okay with it. I'm not a guy who has regrets, man, but I would have done anything to learn this at Andy's age.
You
Yeah,
did
the
cut
half
out a
off.
couple times for me, Jerry.
Is my internet messing up?
Was that just me, or is that? Did you hear that too, Andy?
No, I actually I haven't felt that Jerry's cut out.
Okay, it just happened that last time, so maybe it's mine. Dang it. Oh boy, it's probably me.
All right, team, I marked 721.42. It's the top of this candle where it comes up, touches on it, comes right back down. You guys can see it clear as day. We also have a looming overarching at 721.76 at the top of the swing point of the pre-market. We also have it at 721.71, and then the absolute pre-market high at 721.80. So a lot of stuff to work through to go back into calls. However, if we can close down low enough to draw back up to it, I'm all about it with this bullish structure we're having. Or if we rip through the pre-market high, definitely back into it. So
Hey, Charles, are you taking profit at the same time as Jerry and Andy and I, or are you taking it a little early? Just curious, because one of the things that we do is, in addition to getting a good percentage on that first half, waiting to let it get to as close to 10% as possible also gives you the best chance at not getting tapped at break even. So just curious, are you selling same time or are you selling a little early? Because there is some temptation sometimes when you're newer to sell early, and that can cause that to happen more often. I guess the other question is, are you putting your stop losses in where we are too? Can you guys hear me, or am I offline?
We can hear you.
Okay.
I can hear you just fine. And this internet's got us all some PTSD, huh?
Oh man. Yeah.
Okay, team 115 puts below 721.26. I slightly adjusted that up to the bottom of this candle. It's also right in line with the previous day open, failing to take 721.42 in that overarching area that we had just talked about. Firm close below that, I'm in puts. We should be able to ride it back down to PDL touches if it does that for us. $720 puts are pulled up. "30 seconds, team. Sizing down to protect the 2 wins. Just letting you guys know I'm not turning this day red. "8 seconds. Be ready for it. Need firmness. 4, 3, 2, 1, and stand away. Weak candle close."
Close the way it dumped into the last second there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
What's everybody doing over here? Nice price action going on this morning. This is
Yeah,
good.
this is really nice now. I like this a lot.
Everybody feeling good. Confidence is good.
My confidence is good except for in my internet
Same.
and my first execution. I don't know what happened there.
I think that's just the luck of that market, Phil, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Every now and then it does that.
It maybe wasn't my worst slippage, but the combination of the slippage on the buy and the sell might have been one of the poorer combinations. I got 6 cents and you got 15. That's usually not that big of a gap, but
Yeah.
that's all right. No big deal.
You guys like calls here below that pre-market high and above this 721.42? I think we're really threading that needle tight, if I'm being honest.
I'm gonna watch just for a second, but something says I kind of do, but maybe we'll have time to kind of see what happens up here, right?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, like we're playing with the wick right now. We're
Yeah.
only 8 cents away right now from the pre-market high, and we have over 2 minutes left. So we should have enough time. There we go. Clean test. Now it'll tell us if it's not ready or if it wants to hold firmly, hold strongly.
How I'm reading this is we're going up, but is it going to be retracement at this top here or not? But if you look at the last 3 green candles, massive institutional buying,
Mhm.
so, but is there going to be retracement? I don't know, right? But this looks very, very, very strong.
723 calls are pulled up, team. It does need to be above pre-market high at 721.80. Like I said, team, sizing down to protect the day. 30 seconds. Going for it, SPY. Watching closely here. And obviously staying away. Some of you guys might have taken that. This could be a really good entry to go through that pre-market high. To me, we've already seen the reaction up there. And after those two green trades we've had, there's never no sense in forcing it, especially after two good green trades. Joe, should we have bought back in that candle at close of stopped? Absolutely not, Joe. That creates a lot of bad habits, my man. And Joe, if you do that, then it works, and then you're like, oh, I can do it again, and then it doesn't. And I would highly recommend not to do that.
Yeah, then once you cross that threshold, then you let yourself kind of break another rule, then another rule. All of a sudden, where you at? I still think foundationally the candle close. If you're newish or if you haven't really understood how important that rule is, I think you will eventually. Especially when you start really getting diligent at back testing. If you're not, buying at an objective point, there's just no way to track how your performance is and control your inputs and all that.
Yeah, sometimes you feel like if you're trading with a small amount of contracts, you'll fill before someone trading with 200 contracts. Seth, I don't have any proof of that, man. I've definitely, I think it was Wednesday, Ryan or Andy had a really nice trade, and I had a completely different trade than what he did, and I was in that one pretty heavy, man. So, and when I mean pretty heavy, I think I was in that one with like close to 300 or maybe 280 contracts. And I got stopped at break even on it, and y'all got a full trade on it. And it's, completely different trade, man. So I hear what you're saying, man, but I don't know if that's what it is or not. I think it's just kind of the nature of the beast with what we do.
Right, and vice versa on this last one.
Mhm.
Jerry, Ryan, and I were all in the hundreds of contracts, and I got stopped at break even. I think listen, it's just when the price is there for such a brief period of time, not everyone's going to get filled. If it were to have breached below it, like I know we kind of seem to like focus on these instances, but if you just think about what has to happen for this to happen, it's really, really rare. What did we have our stops at? I don't even remember. But it didn't go below that exact number, and it was there at that
Mm.
number for like a second, maybe. And so it makes sense. Like, yeah, not everyone's going to get stopped. If it had gone 1 or 2 cents below, of course, every single one of us who was holding that position would have gotten stopped. Um, but it's just such a brief period of time that, like, this is a real market, right? Where orders actually have to get fulfilled. It's like if you order something, right? You order an ice cream cone and the server has to go and fill it up and give it to you. Like the order actually has to get fulfilled. It's a real market. If you're paper trading, for example, and it's not real orders, then but these are actual fills, right? It's an actual market that we're participating in. There's a long line of us then, right? They're
May
waiting online and only some people got
yeah.
sold.
I,
May
I'm focusing a
5th,
little bit on
723
it.
calls.
Oh yeah, I'll wait till Jerry calls us out. But I got one quick thing to say about this.
May 5th, 723 calls. Firm and above pre-market high at 721.80. Need firm and some power through it. Let's go. 15 seconds. Sizing down to protect the morning, guys, just to let you know. 6 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and staying away. Weak close. Weak close.
Week
Go
and,
ahead,
and
Ryan.
just below
Just below, yeah.
just below 721.80. I mean, that's no
Mhm.
surprise in my mind. I actually couldn't even read it as firm in the moment, and I wasn't looking at the indicator, but it perfectly closed just beneath.
So I've been, you know, kind of focusing on those contract fill differences a little bit more than usual because I know people have been talking about it and like, well, how come we only get worse fills? It happens to all of us, okay? And I'm focusing on it just to be more relatable. Don't spend too much time dwelling on it. Like I am a little bit, and I'm kind of being a little bit, you know, um, oh, Jerry got 15, I got 3. That's a rare case. I'm not losing sleep over it. You know what I mean? Because it happens often, and that's kind of why I'm spending some time on it. It happens to all of us. You got to get past it. Okay, second here.
Like another part of that, Ryan, I couldn't agree with you more. Like, in life as a whole, like we always try to compare ourselves to other, and sometimes you look at your neighbors or you look at your friend, and and you're trying to compete and do all this stuff. And I think that's very healthy in like a competitive sports where there's a goal to win, right? But especially with trading, like the only person you have to beat is your yesterday self. Like all you have to do is do better than what you were yesterday. And if you can compound that over 400, 200, 100 days of trading, you'll be unrecognizable in 90 days, in 120 days, guys. Like it's absolutely impressive of what just outperforming your old self is. Like I feel like the three of us are really good traders. I don't ever even try to compare my P&L to what Andy and Ryan perform at. Jen, feeling great. Your first week following through along on paper trading. There's a big lag on the buy and sell points on paper. Is that normal? Yes, Jen, it's very normal for that. If you keep getting your butt kicked by it, Jen, I would highly recommend going to zero DTEs and looking at contracts that are like 5 to 10 to maybe 15 cents and just practice your entries and your exit and your execution. Then don't worry about the P&L growing or shrinking on that. Just it's going to cost you a few bucks to buy it and sell it. However, zero DTEs that are like 10 to 15 cents, they'll allow you to buy them, split them, and sell them. So it's going to cost you a little bit of money. And I know that's not what any of you guys want. However, it works. You got it, Jen. And look at this thing just pop, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say when it closed, like of course we have no way of knowing if it will follow through or not, but with the candle closed below, it was weak and below, like that doesn't tell us there's a 0% chance it's gonna follow through, but it tells us it's less than 50%. It tells us it's not probable enough for us to take the entry, but sometimes yeah, it's
Mhm.
of course it's still going to.
All right, team still have the 723s pulled up. And look at that. $1.50 contracts, 0.42 delta at the money. Gotta love that. $25 seconds. $10 looking for a firm candle. And staying away, weak candle close. Huh.
Funny.
Sneaky little market here, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is not super typical to get consecutive green weak candles that just keep repeating itself. But it happens, like Andy was saying. It's,
This 1030 candle, like looking back at it, one could argue that you could have took that 710.60 up to 721.80. 20 cents after it rejecting that pre-market high, to me, that was a no-go. However, that level, the level that we had here marked at 721.42 would provided this would have been a decent trade. You would have, you'd still be in it with runners depending on how you managed it. A very unique scenario presenting itself. I'm not sure if this is going to happen or not. I want to see it confirm this a handful of more times. If we close firm and below resistance, it would be puts below resistance, very unusual. Being that it's weak candles failing to take pre-market high, and then they do take the pre-market high, but it's weak, so buying pressure is falling off of it. If we can get puts below resistance at 721.78, could be really good drawback down to the swing point of 721.43. Could be. Just letting you guys know my thought process with 3 minutes left. So there's a little bit higher risk than a normal trade too. So just putting you guys, your all's mind right. If you don't like that and it doesn't fit your risk tolerance or criteria, I understand.
so Jerry, just to clarify, when you say below resistance, our prior resistance that has now become support in this range, right? Is that kind of what you mean?
Yes.
Pre-market, yeah. And and that's
basically the
because we
pre-market
haven't really established resistance yet, right? Because we've
Yep.
come above resistance, and now we're
Right.
tapping back on it from above. Yep, and you and I like these kind of trades a lot.
And it's really support now.
Yeah,
right?
support. Yeah, that's
It
that
is.
was my point. Resistance that has become support. I just want to be
Correct.
sure people knew what he was talking about. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah, for sure.
And I think that last 1 minute candle is really the first time that we came down, right?
Mhm.
Oh, that's the 2 minute Jerry has on the right. So it was
I do. I'll
two
change that
1
out.
minute candles ago, which let's see.
Yeah, there's your 1 minute there.
Yeah. So we have, we used it right after we broke above it, that first red 1 minute candle. So yeah, that resistance has now become support.
Hmm. 720 puts are pulled up, team. Firm close below 721.79. Sizing small, going to protect the morning. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1. Buying here. Filled at 141. And stop is going to go in, team, at 124. Hmm. Hmm. All right, team. Back to break even somehow. No idea how we're at break even with a green candle like this, but I'll take it. Man, the way those contracts are going to move like that, we don't need much for it to go green. Be ready, team. Stop is coming off if we go to 143 to 144.
I feel like we just need that red wick. Might get us
Yep.
there.
Don't need much.
I'm in the 721s and they're doing the same.
Come on. Nice weak close. Come on, Spy. Give it to us. Not the best close. Take out 721.79. Just rip right through it. And like I said, somehow the other back at break even again. This doesn't make any sense. Come on. Stop is off. Half there at 155 team. Stops at break even.
That's the best.
Come on. Get your ass
That is
down
the-
there. What are you doing?
That is the best. Man.
It just glitches 20 cents in our favor. That's
Yeah, keep
nothing
going.
better than that.
Yeah.
They've
if
had
it
two of those
glitches
very-
$100 in
Look
our
at this.
favor. Yes, I have.
Oh,
Lucky
man.
day. I mean, stops coming off team. And taking a quarter of their team at 161. I was looking for 162. I got filled at 161. Stops in at 143. Come on. Take out 721.22 and come back down to the PDL touches from yesterday or from Friday. Let's go. Get your ass down there, Spy. Come on.
Come on.
Rip through that damn thing.
Yeah.
Come on. Stop to 150.
So close.
Go through it. Come on. Oh. Liquidity sweep out the ass, huh? Come on, Spy. Get that nice heavy close. Come on. Take it out. Take it out. Let's rock. Let's rock. Come on. No, 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 no. Nice firm close down here. There we go.
Ooh.
Rip through it.
Oh.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh yeah, something's happening.
Moving stop to 170. Back in that stop up just a little bit to 165. And I'll try to let that stay below those PDL touches, team. If selling in full puts you super green on the day, record day, whatever, do what you got to do. Come on, nice and heavy. Let's rock. Come on. Close below those PDL touches. 720.99. Close below that. Come on. Yes, let's go. Get down there. There we go. Gorgeous close. Taking stop up to 172.
Ooh.
Stop to 180. Stop to 185. 187. Stop to 190. Stop to $2.05. Come on, come on. And stop at 205.
Yeah, let's go.
Unreal.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
How's everybody doing
Let's
now?
go.
Everybody feeling good now?
Oh yeah.
Oh. Oh, team, stand by. Stand by, team. Calls above my underlying support level marked at 721.22.
Oh man.
Stand by. This isn't done yet. Let's see if we can get a little bit more on here. Sizing down again to protect this profit using the 722 calls on a firm 5-minute candle close above 722, 721.22.
Jerry's gonna have his trip paid for before the end of the morning.
I already did, buddy. I already did. I'm like $130 off my weekly target. Which I'm not even trying for that anymore. Like, this is just amazing price action. All right, team, 721.42 is what I'm going to use to go us into calls on this. We have a lot of work to do to get back into puts. I think we captured that move really well. Ryan, Andy, you do good on that?
Oh yeah.
Crushed it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was in the 721s. They got as high as 255, 260. I trailed pretty loosely. I had at 219, got stopped at 219. My entry was at 174.
My man.
Man.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's awesome, buddy. Good work. Good work.
That was beautiful.
Peter, you got 5% on that move. Holy moly. Good work, Peter. Rafi, it's the best start to the week and the month ever. Awesome, Rafi. Good work, buddy. It's like an FOMC candle in here, huh, guys?
Yeah, absolutely. And I was just reading someone said the UAE is responding to something, but I haven't looked yet.
Lane, it's your best start to the week. Oh, yeah. You guys are crushing it. Everybody doing good on this, right? Yeah. Those first trades might have had some different fills, but that last one, that if you didn't capture that move, I mean, that was a really slow start to that, retraced up. Contracts were super favorable.
All right, guys, I'm out. Amazing session,
Yeah,
Jerry.
great work.
The month of May is off to a phenomenal start.
Yeah.
Amazing. Congrats, everyone.
Andy,
Love
thank you,
seeing
sir.
all
Nice
these
work.
incredible wins. Jerry, way to lead us through this, man. Amazing.
Thank you, sir.
See you guys. Take care.
Okay. See ya.
Andy, see you tomorrow. Have a great day.
Yeah. Yeah, Jerry, I'm gonna hit it too, but fantastic, man. Wow. Let's go.
Yeah, same. I'm done for the morning, man. I'm just gonna count the lucky stars with the 3 awesome trades that we had and come back to it today at 2.
Let's go.
All right, team.
Nice
Y'all have
one,
a great
man. All
day.
right.
Thanks for everything,
Okay.
and see you guys.
See ya.